the release date of Xiaomi Mi 9, its new flagship Xiaomi will be presented at the end of the first quarter of 2019. Most likely, this will happen in March. That is, Xiaomi will display its flagship after the start of sales of the Samsung S10. Xiaomi always brings several modifications of its smartphones to the market. There will be no exception in Mi 9. The basic version will be sold from $500. Specifications: Xiaomi Mi 9 characterize the future flagship, based on numerous data from Chinese sources. Can be, in the words, even more and more powerful. Display: Xiaomi Mi 9 will occupy a larger area of the front panel than its predecessor. This can be done by reducing the screen cutout and frames. Thus, the screen diagonal will be 6.4 inches. By the way, a fingerprint scanner will appear under the screen in the new flagship, similar to the one installed in their transparent Xiaomi Mi 8 Explorer Edition. Xiaomi Mi 9 should be one of the first smartphones to receive Qualcomm's 2019 Qualcomm Ultimate chipset, the Snapdragon 8150. This is a mobile processor made using the 7nm process technology and setting an absolute record in synthetic performance tests. It is expected that Mi 9 will receive 10 GB of RAM and 256 GB of permanent memory. Perhaps there will be a more affordable version of 128 GB and extended to 512 GB. Xiaomi will make its new flagship camera phone. The main camera of the smartphone should consist of 3 modules, including a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 image sensor. This new sensor will allow you to take photos with a resolution of 8000 by 6000 pixels and record video in 4K format at a frequency of 90 frames per second. Of the other features of the upcoming new products, you can now call the battery with a capacity of 3700 mAh, support for wireless charging, quick charge 5.0, a second-generation USB Type-C connector and IP68 water protection.